Panther Magazine, the Panther Platform lookbook and the official publication for the Panther Platform.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Derek McCutchell here, the founder and CEO of Panther Magazine. Thanks for checking out today's video. As you guys can see, I have a pair of headphones on. This is for the mic quality. A few guys in the comments said that the quality could be a little bit better, so I plan on ordering a microphone to do these videos tonight. So for today, I have the headphones that have the integrated mic in it, so if it looks weird and cheesy, that's why. So most of us here on this channel, we all know what Panthers are. We love them. They're our favorite cars. But there's people that are not really into cars or enthusiasts like we are that may not know what a Panther Platform car is, or even what the Panther Platform is in itself. So that's pretty much what this video is about. It's pretty much a short summary of what the Panther Platform is exactly. I've had people in my personal life since starting the Panther Magazine always assume that I made up the word Panther, and I definitely didn't. So this video should clarify things for people who are interested or don't know what a Panther is. Yeah, just continue to watch the video and you'll learn. The Panther Platform consisted of these following cars. From 1979 to 1982, you had the Ford LTD. From 1983 to 1991, you had the Ford Crown Victoria LTD. From 1992 to 2012, you had the Crown Victoria. From 1979 to 2011, you had the Mercury Grand Marquis, and in 2003 and 2004, you had the Mercury Marauder as well. From 1979 to 1983, you had the Lincoln Continental. From 1981 to 2011, you had the Lincoln Town Car. Off the success of the Ford chassis, back in 1969, the Panther Platform's rear-wheel drive and body-on-frame was used most commonly with Ford and Lincoln Mercury brands. From 77 to 96, the only competition that Ford seen when it came to the Panther Platform was GM's B Series. GM's B Series or B Platform consisted of the following cars: the Pontiac Streamliner Torpedo, the Oldsmobile L Series, 80 Series, and 77 Series. Excuse me, the 88 Series. The Buick Special, Century, and the Buick LaSalle. And the Cadillac Series 60, 61, 63, and the Series 50. Between 1978 and 1985, Ford and Mercury Panthers were assembled in Hazelnut, Missouri, which they called it the St. Louis plant, assembly plant, excuse me. So yeah, between 78 and 85. In 1986, the Panther Platform cars were assembled in Talbotville, Canada, also known as the St. Thomas Assembly Plant, as we all know it by. Up until 2007, the Lincoln Town Car was assembled in Wixom, Michigan. From 2008 to 2011, the Lincoln Town Car finished its production at the St. Thomas Assembly Plant in Ontario, Canada. And obviously in 2012, there was a short production of Crown Vics, which all went overseas. I actually have the video of the last Crown Vic that rolled off the assembly line. Someone from Saudi Arabia sent it to me on Instagram, and it's on the YouTube page. I'll leave a link in the description of that video. And actually, as of today, January 1st, 2024, someone just sent me a second video of the car, so I'm going to be uploading that as well. Ford really excelled with the body-on-frame construction as well as the live suspension rear axle. The simplicity of design on these Panther Platform cars and its ability to take collisions is what made it very desirable as a fleet car. Police officers use them, livery services, and taxi cabs, and those are like some of the biggest industries in America and probably across the world. I mean, New York City back in the early 2000s, in the 90s, were all Crown Vics and Grand Marquis, and every police department had a Crown Victoria in the parking lot somewhere. So it just shows you how the design and its ability to take crashes and whatever else may happen on the road is what made it very desirable for it to be a fleet car. Lastly, in this video, there were 3 generations of the Panther Platform. Generation 1. Generation 1 was between the years 1979 and 1991. There were 3 body styles in the first generation of Panthers. There was the 4-door sedan, the 2-door coupe, and the station wagon. They all were equipped with the Windsor V8 engine in it. Generation 2 was between 1992 and 2002, where there was really only a renovation in the body and the interior. And the engine was a V8 modular engine on the second generation Panthers. Lastly, the third generation of Panthers were between 2003 and 2012. There was a major redesign in the frame and suspension, which made these cars a lot better to handle in the 2003 years. So much like my 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis I have now, the handling and suspension is something that stands out to me compared to all the other Panthers I've driven. So that's the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was just a short, brief summary of what the Panther Platform is for people that don't really know exactly what the Panther Platform is. I didn't know the Panther Platform was a thing until I actually bought my first Panther, and I've been into these cars since I was a kid. So for those people out there that might not be car enthusiasts or even Panther Platform enthusiasts, as in Crown Vics, Grand Marquis, Town Cars, and Marauders, this video hopefully shed a little insight on what the Panther Platform is. Hopefully you gain some new knowledge, and if you're looking to buy one of these cars, just do it. Don't even hesitate. You won't regret it. These are like the best cars ever to touch the concrete. So thanks for checking out today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.